Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to reverse a string in C using a function. Unfortunately this function only works on Windows. I've tested this before on Linux and it didn't work. So if you guys are using Linux, I'm sorry, but this doesn't work. It only works on Windows. So let's create a string here. Let's call let me see a string that would be funny to see reversed. I don't remember any. Let's just put string reversed. Okay. We want to see this. And to reverse a string C is very simple. On Windows, actually, this only works on Windows. Use the function str rev. Okay, I think it stands for string reversed. We pass str. Let's print this on the screen. We pass str. So let's execute, and we see that string reversed. It worked. Okay. So this is how you get a string reversed. It's pretty basic, but it actually works. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys next time.